फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग क्लास 8 लेसन 2 सुनामी चैप्टर का रीडिंग करेंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट, हमारे चैनल पर आपको क्लास 3 से लेकर 12 तक के इंग्लिश स्टोरी और पोयम के अंग्रेजी के लिखे हुए शब्द हूबहू हिंदी उच्चारण में लिखे हुए मिल जाएंगे, जिससे आप अंग्रेजी बुक पढ़ना आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 25 और 26 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 25। अ सुनामी इज ए वेरी लार्ज एंड पावरफुल waves caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India, such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Did anyone sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Ignatius was the manager of cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully look his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising in chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mothers. Father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 25 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 26 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 26। Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal Island of the Nicobar group of island. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Almas Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nankauri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. As they ran, her fell down. Her grandfather was hit on the head by something, and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree, and they too were washed away. Almas saw a log of wood floating. She climbed on to it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 26 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। और अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं, क्योंकि इंग्लिश बुक पढ़ने का एकमात्र चैनल फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।